Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and I am officially back. It has been, it has been 16 days and I have not done anything. I'm sorry about that. I'm very lazy. So, you guys remember, let me just get into this. And I can just go to my channel. And do you guys remember this video?
Hello everyone, I am back with this tornado.
The Markiplier. This one, you guys probably like that one because it has 287 views. And then the other one, what was the other one? It was this one. This one has 343 views. Thank you for that again. So I wanted to do a Kentucky one. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I love me some Kentucky Fried Chicken. So it's like Kentucky Fried Chicken and tornado. Tornado happened in Kentucky. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I don't know why I keep saying Kentucky Fried Chicken. Basically, there's an EF4 tornado in Kentucky back actually 2 years ago. And this is Bath, so Fulton County, 8:46 to 9:06 p.m. Case was 9:01 p.m. And then there's a Hickman tornado. Blah, blah, blah. So you see this, all this. There's a rain tornado, yeah. Yup, let's do this. During the late evening of Friday, December 10th, 2021, a violent long-track EF4 tornado moved across western Kentucky, producing severe to catastrophic damage in numerous towns, including Mayfield, Princeton, Dawson Springs, and Bremen, crossing through 11 counties of the Jackson Purchase. Yes. Jackson Purchase. And Western Coalfield regions. During its almost 3-hour lifespan, the tornado was exceptionally long track, traveling 165.6 kilometers, while at times being wrapped in rain. It was the deadliest and longest track tornado in the outbreak that produced enormous strong tornadoes in several states. 57 fatalities were confirmed in the tornado. The second significant tornado in the extremely long-track tornado family. This tornado began just inside northern O'Brien, Tennessee, 3 miles after another long-track EF4 tornado, which traveled through northeast Arkansas, Missouri, Bluefield, and northwest Tennessee, dissipated in western O'Brien County. I'm not going to read. I'll just read how it happened. As an intense upper-level trough progressed across the high plains with robust instability and moisture return, realized across the Mississippi Valley, the SPC expanded the enhanced risk and introduced a mild risk area from northeastern Arkansas to southern Illinois in the morning of December 10th. Forecasters indicated that atmospheric statistics favored the development of nocturnal supercells capable of producing long-track strong tornadoes. At 3 p.m. CST, UTC, the SPC issued a tornado watch across the highest risk area encompassing central and eastern Arkansas, west Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Missouri, and portions of Illinois and Indiana. The first of 11 issued over subsequent hours over the middle Mississippi Valley. Initial storms developed across central Arkansas around 2 p.m. CST. with even weaker activity developing over central Missouri over 1.5 hours later. Additional clusters of thunderstorms developed over southwestern Missouri, forming between Bolivar and Carthage, eventually backbilling into northeastern Oklahoma. Of course it had to be Oklahoma. And central Arkansas is forming southwest of Hot Springs, and between 5 and 5:30 p.m. CST, though this activity lacks much vigor on its onset, and strong capping version to consecutive south, whatever. Okay. Just read that last part in your head, because I'm not doing it. Doppler real analysis estimated blah 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 blah. Skippy PM. Doppler radar analysis estimated that the supercell maintained nearly continuous high-end rotational vortices signature. I don't want to read all this. Basically, bad tornado, mesocyclone. Pretty sure that coming. Tornado began in the community of Woodland Mills in Obiam County at the time along Woodland Mills Road at 8:54 CST, produced by the same supercell that briefly produced another violent track tornado that affected northeast Arkansas, the Missouri Bluefield, whatever, and northwest Tennessee near Reelfoot Lake. After the dissipation of that tornado, the Obiam County, northeast of Sandburg, the supercell produced 3 brief tornadoes before this one formed several miles to the northeast. Tennessee. The tornado initially caused minor damage to trees and roofs as it moved through the north side of Woodland Mills, crossing SR5 after moving northeast a half mile across the Tennessee-Kentucky state line near the community of State Line and Fulton County, conditioning additional tree damage rated E of 0. The total damage caused by the tornado in Tennessee was estimated at 25,000. Further to the northeast, the tornado reached E of 2 strength and moves off homes, damaging or destroying outbuildings and damaging irrigation equipment. Soon after, the tornado became violent and directly impacted the small community of Casey at E of 4 to intensity, where multiple homes and small businesses were damaged or destroyed, with some that were leveled or struck clean of their foundations. A music venue housed in an old school building was badly damaged, and the Kentucky Volunteer Fire Department building was solely destroyed, with the metal beams of the structure being severely twisted, while pieces of every machinery were tossed around. Several outbuildings and mobile homes were also obliterated in the Casey Alley. One fatality occurred at Casey, and several people were injured. SpongeBob, Patrick, SpongeBob.
It's been nearly 2 weeks since a rare December long-track tornado devastated several communities across the state of Kentucky and elsewhere. In the immediate aftermath, people gathered towards the biggest pockets of destruction, but a lot of damage has gone unseen. So, ABC Audio's Brad Milkey, host of the Start Here podcast, traveled along the tornado's entire 165-mile path. And despite the devastation, he found hope in the survivors as they worked to pick up the pieces.
All right, so this is the field where this all...
Death. Lots of death.
Wow, the handheld. Oh, yeah. Finally get to look over it. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's definitely helping, that's for sure.
Thank you, lightning. You're good, lightning.
I don't think it's gonna die out anytime soon. Nope, I would agree with you.
Whoa there, Buster. That's a big Buster. Big Buster over there. Yeah. So, what was that?
You hardly ever hear anything in here.
Sounds like vibrating. Yeah, here's a lot of videos. This is a true story. Let's see it captured. I want to see the actual tornado. Oh my god, it's a big fat tornado.
Okay.
Okay, no Sandy Hook. At the door.
Power flashes. We got power flashes.
Let's see some pictures of it. Let's see the tornado. Big tornado. Just a bunch of death. Car death. Just everything done. 6 months of deadly western Kentucky. This is big tornado. Oh! I've seen this. Ah, bowling. So basically, the damage, this damage. Bunch of damage. You see that? That's the entire thing's dead. Tornado damage last night in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Okay, so special. Ohio into Breckenridge. Ohio, you kidding me? This is a continued track. It's continuous for Mayfield tornado. Bowling Green, you have 3. It's 9:25. Ouch. Oh my god, there's a power outage in the national weather. This is it. Mayfield's, everything's Mayfield's dead. say. So basically, yeah, it traveled 165 miles. It was basically just death. As you can see, I think that's it. That might just be a giant smudge. Oh no, that is it. That is a big meter. Can I turn my brightness on? How is that beautiful tornado? You're such a slow tornado, be faster! It's a big fat tornado. Wait, how wide was it even? I want to know how wide it was. How wide was the tornado that hit Mayfield, Kentucky? 1.5 miles? Really? Traveling at 165.6 miles from Woodland Mills to Rough River. Western. Deadliest and longest track tornado in Outbreak that produces 57 fatalities. It disappeared at December 10th, 2021 at 11:48 p.m. CST. Largest Kentucky. It's now known as the deadliest and longest track tornado in Kentucky's history. It began in Fulton County, located in the far western corner of the Bluegrass State, and then traveled to Muhlenberg County, sounding 165.7 miles over 19 counties in just 3 hours. Jeez. Only one F5 tornado. Longest tornado touchdown. 209. Kentucky tornado longest dragon. Oh, it got broken by this. This is how recent it was. It's 2 years ago, and it's still breaking. It still broke records, and it's like still recent too. Minor damage, dissipation, possible. Then might have been higher. Had more when resistant structure had been encountered. The fast forward speed of the tornado had little dwell time with strong winds over 1 billion deaths. The damage likely would have been more severe if the tornado were slower. Killed 57 people and between 500 to 533 injuries. Toll makes its deadliest tornado ever recorded in the United States in December, in addition to being the deadliest tornado since 2011. The tornado produced those 57 fatalities in multiple locations along its extended damage path, killing 24 people in Grace County, which also saw more than 200 after total injuries. 15 in Hopkins County, 11 in Muhlenberg County, 4 in Caldwell County, and 1 person each in Fulton, Marshall, and Lyon counties. A later 58th fatality was a result of a heart attack while creating disease, and is listed as indirect. Damage to the totals vary by source, but the tornado produced profound destruction in multiple communities. Mayfield, according to the National Weather Service, more than 4,000 structures were impacted, damaged, or destroyed, including 378, I probably said that wrong, residencies, 183 commercial buildings, 103 other structures. The tornado destroyed primarily low-income rental housing units, leading to a depleted stock of affordable housing in the city. The Mayfield Housing Authority reported that more than 700 requests for one-bedroom units, also almost a year after the tornado. Marshall County contained the heavily damaged community of Cambridge Shores. 356 structures were destroyed or made uninhabitable, and 304 sustained light or moderate damage. How much steam is stealing? Pause. Should try a mile in terms of health back. $18 billion. 57. Okay. Let's do the news report for the end.
It's continuing to do damage right now. It is currently located near Leachville, Arkansas, right here. It's moving to the northeast at around 50 miles per hour. What I have done here to kick off coverage of this thing is to kind of give you an idea of where this is headed over the next couple of hours. Now, it may deviate from this track just a little bit, but this storm is one that has been rotating and producing a tornado now for the better part of a half hour to 45 minutes. And all indications are this thing is by itself. There is nothing to break its progress up, so it will continue to move across the Boot Heel of Missouri and into northwest Tennessee. So if it continues on its current pace, Steele, just after 8 o'clock, you're going to be dealing with this storm. Caruthersville at around 8:22, Ridgely, Tennessee at around 8:36, and Troy, Tennessee at around 9:01. Union City, just shy of 2 hours from now, you would be dealing with this storm. Again, I know that's 2 hours from now. That is a long time, but we are talking about a storm that likely will be on the ground, a tornado on the ground with this thing for quite some time. Let's get you the newest information. There is a new tornado warning that has just come out. Noah, if you don't mind to click the button to put Magic Track in play for me real quick. Gotcha, okay, thank you. This new tornado warning is in effect for southern Penobscot County, as well as a very small part of Lake County and Dyer County in Tennessee. It runs until 8:15 this evening. A couple of things I want you to notice here. Up to 2-inch hail is possible. We're talking about possibly over golf ball size hail with this storm. This is an extremely powerful supercell thunderstorm.
So basically, that's it, guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys give me a lot of views again. That would be great. Thank you. Thank you a lot. And make sure to subscribe now, okay? Okay, so this is damage. It's the same exact thing. This is a building. Yeah. Alright, bye, guys.